I want to explain the Yoruba tone marks. That's the diacritics. Yoruba has to do with tone marks. Whenever you say Yoruba word without diacritics, without tone marks, it will be very hard to read, and sometimes you might misuse the meaning. So that's just it. So we have 5 tone marks. We have 5 diacritics. We have Ami Owoke, Ami Owisale, Ami Owari. We have Eleyoroke and Eleyorodo. So 2 out of those tone marks give Eleyoroke and Eleyorodo. So I'm going to explain 3. We have Do, Re, Mi. I said that Do, Re, Mi. When you know music, you'll be able to read Yoruba. We have a Do, Re, Mi. So Do, that is the energy tone. In English language then, while I was in secondary school, we did the rising and the falling tone and the flat tone. That is the energy tone. It has energy. It sounds heavy. Like that is the attribute of Do. And we have Mi, that is the tush tone. It is the flying tone. It goes up. It is like a bird that flies in the sky. It is like parachute, anything up. Loke lowa, that is Mi. And we have the Re, that is a nonchalant tone. It is that yen or there. And we don't actually tone mark it. Like, it is not always written on Yoruba words. Re is flat. It's just there. It's an FBI. That's the attribute of Re. It is an FBI. It is there, but it is not there. It is a nonchalant tone. Do. That is the heavy tone, the energy tone, the strong-willed tone. Mi, that is the simple tone. I, tush, posh. No stress. And we have the Re, nonchalant. FBI ló ń ṣe nínú ọ̀rọ̀. Awambe, it gives meaning to but awambe. Show ye.